Okay, here we got this thing.
Okay.
All that's yeah. Okay, 1 to 30 because as the previous one you have that 30 days only. Okay, then I
Okay.
want to show us days also because sometimes we can't remember yes ki today's what's our day. Then how can we show that these days? For showing these days, we use some formula right here. Which formula we use? Just right here for text. Okay, right here is a text, and then
Okay.
select the value. Value is my date, and then show the format. Which type of format you can show that? Guys, here I want to show the format in form of D. So then we use three day values, DD. Okay, three times, and then enter it. Then what you got here? We have June. We have Sunday. Okay, and then this
Okay.
formula.
And can you click
Yes,
on the date? Can you click on the date itself, if you don't mind? Just
yes. I click this.
yeah, right there. Click on that cell. Click on that cell. The one above. The one above. The one above.
Whenever
Just in the date. How did you get the date to be in that format?
because I write this date. In the first class
No,
I
no, no.
saw. Yes,
Go to
was
click on cell C2. Click on cell C2.
yes.
Okay, so you just type the date like this, or you put a format, any format.
I would put a format. Which formats I put? DD. One second. DD. And then
I know, I know that. I'm saying, do
I
you
put
have?
use this
Did
format.
you change? Did you change any properties for the cells? That's my question.
No, I don't change this because this is by default my change. But if you have any issues, just right click on it and then have you format cell. Okay, go to the format cell right here, and then here we have the dates formatting options.
Okay, so you just typed it that way. Okay, fine.
Because
Okay,
if you, but every time you can type a dates, then you follow the formats. If you write
okay,
say, something else, suppose someone is trying to do that this type of thing also, 12, 15 dot 50 GT dot 2025, and then this is not a date format. When we want to say check this out, this is date format to show check this out here. We what we visual like this. We have to show the general. That's why we don't have a date. When we want to show the date, then when you click on this cell, then what we got here? We got a date format.
got it.
Got
Okay,
it? Okay. This was remember it. If you follow the format, then you can don't have any issues. All right.
no problem.
Okay, then we show the day value. Okay, which day is occur in this date. Then we show the Sunday. Then I'm apply all the day values inside all day date value inside below the day value. Date value. Just drag on the spot and goes to the 30s. Just come here. We have to got all day value. Okay, each and every
Okay,
day. Okay, it's a one time. Okay, and the next one I want to do is I want to decrease the cell size. How can we do that? First of all, we decrease this size manually one by one, but this is taking much or more times. But I want to do by directly. How can we do that? Just select all the columns, not just for cells, columns. Okay, right? Select all
okay,
columns where we want to do the smaller the size, and just come to the first column and decrease the size of the first column only. Okay.
okay,
Then what we have, we do what that all column size also with decreases simultaneously.
okay,
Right? Okay. Then here I want to count something. Suppose I want to count the present. How many students are present? How many days are present? How many days are absent? And then how many days are holidays? And then how many days are working days?
okay,
Then make some formatting. I use all border. Then here, we choose. And then also we merge the cell and wrap the text. Merge the cell and wrap the text. And each in every section, we use this part. And then here also we do that same thing, same. And I format this thing. at the center position. Okay. All have so as center. And I do also is bold. Okay, that's one point. And then again, I format this thing. Merge and center. And then make a color for looking past. Just it. Simple way I create this thing. Right? Okay. One thing
Okay.
I also do that's I uh I take make the partition of this part, and then here we want to show the display of the date. Then how can we do that? Here we can use the sub insert option. Goes to insert option, we have the save options. Here we have save. Inside the save option we have a line, and then do just click on this part and then click on this part where what you have to got. Here we got a
Yeah,
line, we can,
can
and
you
then
go can you
yes,
go back how you did it, if you don't mind?
again I should show you. Go to the insert option, just right here. Go to the save option, okay,
Okay.
and then here we have the line, simple line. Okay,
Okay.
we have multiple type of shapes designs to do it. But
Right.
and this Excel I don't need much more. But basic of thing I am needed. Just show it. And then here for when we use the shapes, then we apply the save format options. Okay, and then in the save format option we have the multiple type of shapes right here. Okay, use any of
Okay.
this line. Okay, colors, many of formatting things I will do. Right.
Okay.
Then I want to write here is a date. Then how can we do that? This option
In
also comes inside the on chart option, and then here we have the
text.
one option is my
The
text,
text. Yeah,
and here we
text.
have a text box.
Okay.
And then right here is click on this box where we want to apply the text. Suppose formatting is right here. Then the site here is date. Basic arrangement. Okay. Sometime I want to do this thing for the looking as format way. Okay, I also bought this part. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, then come to the next parts. I use something else right here. Here we have to arrange the sequences one, two, and then goes to down here. Okay. Okay. Suppose if first of all I do anything else, we can also explain something to you. Okay. Suppose when we have to delete these parts. Okay. Then what we will have to done here? What we got? We delete the all rows. Okay. And then my sequence is disrupt by 4 gets directly to 6. How can we make this CL number sequence by one? When we click erase a row, but my sequence is rearranged automatically. Any idea how can we do that? Here we can delete any rows right here. Then all sequence y disrupt.
So equals the
Yes,
row above plus one. You could just give a command.
equal plus 1. If I do I erase 2 rows directly, then what will happen? If equal plus 1,
It
sometimes
still
need it.
comes.
So
Yeah, I
one thing
mean,
I talk about this. Yes, we use one row. We have the formula of row, where row formula get the current row value. This is my current row number 4, right? Here, what you do, just here, row, because my heading is fixed and don't want to change and remove and then remove any heading, right? Then that's why we can here to use minus above rows. How many rows we use above is 3, correct? And then enter it. And then this formula apply all of time, right? And if you
okay.
erase any row, then what will happen? My sequence is erased, right?
Okay. Understood.
Uh, okay. Then come to the next part. Here we write any name. You want any name? I write says ABC. Okay. Yeah, just okay. One thing also, I want to mark the Sunday because I don't want to write here in a Sunday. Then how we do that? Just select all or Sunday by use of control. Okay. For multiple selection, use a control. Just paste the
Yes.
control button and then select all Sunday. And then which days we have a holiday. Select also for this part, and then mark this as a red color, any color if you want. I mark the as form of red color because I don't want to write here any present and absent because here we don't want anything. Okay. If you
Okay.
want to apply the edge for this part, was I mark this thing. Okay. Then here I randomly mark the present absent. Any random way may I mark it. So don't need to mark exactly. Then how can we calculate the only present? Any idea?
Uh, Equal. I think if you have if command, count if, right?
Yes, right. Count if we use count if right here, and
Count
then
if.
and select all the range where we want
Correct.
to check this if, okay, and then comma. Then here what you write here in inverted comma, just write the p.
P. Yes.
For counting the p, just write here p and then enter it.
Correct.
Then we got the all p values. How many p present we applied? Here we have the 16 values. When we do that, suppose here we can also apply the p. Then my present count is also changed. Here the same thing we can use for the counting the absent. Count it, and then what you do? Just select all the set, all the range where we wanna check the absent and present, and then enter it. Then what you take is we have eight values. Okay. When we increase and decrease these values, and we got a value right here. Okay. When we decrease this value, then what will happen? Go decrement in both the sides. Right. And
Correct.
second of thing, where I want to count holidays. Then how can we count the holidays? Because in the holidays section, we apply only formatting, not to apply any text. My data is
Yeah,
empty.
just put semi open and close semicolon.
Open and close it.
Equals count if.
Not say for is in this case we don't use the count if. Okay, in this case we use to count blank.
Count. Okay.
Count blank. Count blank is
Count
used
blank.
for the counting only empty cells. How many empty cells are we there in your kind range? Okay, I select this range and then not need to do anything. Just select the range, write a count blank, and then this is to only count the blank cells. All right. Here
Okay.
we have the five blank cells means five holidays because I don't use this part.
Got
Okay.
it. Okay.
Then I want to calculate this working days. How can we calculate working days?
I guess use the count blank -1 or 1 or something. Can we use that?
Here we have the one formula, count A.
Count
Okay.
A. Okay.
And then select all cells. Okay. Count A and then not need to write any conditions, anything. Just write here and select the range and then enter it. Count A, what's the count A do? Count A only count the fill cell and then escape the empty cells. Okay. Don't count empty cell, only counts fill cell where we write anything.
Got it.
This working of the count A. Right? Okay,
Got
that's why
it.
we
Okay.
got only 25 values. Because have to 25 cells, we can write P present and absent. Right?
Okay. Got it.
Now, this is my simple formula and then make some sheet for this part. Okay. Any doubts?
No, I'm good. Yep.
Yeah, good. Okay, then that's fine. Then you I share this sheet to you also, but and then you do yourself and then make this sheet and then show me it tomorrow. Right?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. And then okay. I write here certain sheet. Okay. Okay, then we come to next part. Yeah, we learn about some other formulas. Uh, these formulas we learn. First of all,
So can you go back? Can you go back to the mark sheet for a second?
mark sheet. Okay.
So the number of students is COUNTIF, correct? On the top right.
Top right where?
The number of students, where we calculated number of students over 80%.
Yes, yes, COUNTIF. Yeah, we have to use the COUNTIF.
Okay, got it. Okay. No, go back for 1 second.
Okay.
Can we manually enter, instead of selecting Q4, can we manually enter greater than 80%?
No,
No?
no, it's not working.
Okay. So let's say where we selected Q4, you see that?
Yes.
Can we just remove that and put 80?
Yeah, I remember it and then show others values right here. Suppose I use a 60%.
No,
Then
no,
my
no,
values
not
is
that. I'm not talking
then
about that.
then what's
Remove the value Q4. Just instead of selecting Q4, put 80 over there. Like
put or
you
50?
see, yes.
Then
Put
how
80.
can only put 80?
Yes. Does it work?
No, that's not
Okay.
working.
What about if you put 80% there?
Okay, then okay.
What if you put it in semicolons?
Okay, I put this. Again, we got
It
that.
doesn't. It doesn't work.
Yeah. But when we use the greater than symbol right here, then this work.
Oh, okay. So the greater than symbol works. Okay.
Okay. In inverted
Okay,
commas.
got it.
And
Okay,
correct?
so I don't have to select a cell. I could use a greater than symbol.
Yeah, you can also use this thing, but for this purpose, I suggest select the cell first. Okay, because
Okay,
here we
got
want to change anything in the cell, then we reflect to this answer sheet also, answer bar
it. Okay,
also.
got it.
Okay, got it.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay, then come to the next parts. I learn about some text formulas. Okay. Okay, first of all, I write here is suppose first name of someone, and then have a last name of someone. First name and last name, and then want to display the full name of this someone.
Okay.
Okay. And then also I convert this form in the uppercase. And then I convert this in form of lowercase. And also I want to convert this in form of proper case.
Okay.
Okay, how can we do this? Okay. This is my heading section as we use. Okay. Here we write someone new. Suppose here we write Visa Sharma, right? And then I want to display. We have the two cells, first name and last name, and then want to full name. Then what's formula I use for this purpose? Have you know what?
No, I don't know.
Okay, here we have, if you use a older version, then use a concatenate formula. If you use older version, right? If you have
Concatenate. Okay.
And then we select both cells and enter it. Then what you get, here we get the all values first of all, and then our also format is in between. We can also apply the space. Okay, because here we want a space right here.
Okay.
But if you have new version, then don't need to write here is a concatenate. Just write here is a short form of concatenate concat. Okay,
Okay.
and use the same thing. Work is same like SH. Okay, then comma usage, and then select the next one, and then what should you do? Just enter it. Okay.
Okay.
You can also do this thing by use of spots, right? All right.
Okay.
Then how can we convert the uppercase? This value is converted as uppercase. This is the for the simple formula is use the upper. Upper is used for this uppercase, right? And then select this part and then enter it. What you get here, we got all formulas uppercase. And all the text is in uppercase form part, right?
Got it.
Okay. Okay. Next one, we want to apply the lowercase. Instead of this part, I want to show the value in form of lowercase. And how can we do this? The side here is a lower. Okay. And then select the text right here and then enter it. Then what you got? All the text values come into for lowercase. Right? Okay.
Okay.
And then sometimes what will happen when we someone site is in lowercase format and not a proper formats. Sometimes you someone write the text and then enter the enters these details, but someone is not in form of proper format. Then what you do, the site is a proper case. What you do, the site here be proper, and then for purpose select the text and then enter it. Then what will you got? Say we first character is my capital and then others is my small lowercase.
Okay. For the uppercase, you type the full uppercase. Go to the uppercase and lowercase for 1 second.
Okay, I got this.
Yeah, just put upper. Okay, and then put lower. I guess. Right.
This here we have a formula.
How did you get to? How did you display the formulas?
Let's use a shortcut for this part. For this, for showing the formula, use the control plus your approximation symbol.
Okay.
Right? Click the control approximation symbol, the formulas will be visible. Then we again click this control approximation symbol, then formula is invisible.
Where is that symbol?
Approximation symbol at quadratic keywords come about the tab section. About the tab.
Oh yeah. Okay. Control. Okay, got it. Okay.
Got it?
Control plus and that basically. Okay. 1 second. Let me just try 1 second.
Just try it.
Oh, got it. Okay. Yep. Thank you.
Okay. Then continue.
Yes.
Okay, I'll continue. Okay. Then I want to calculate this length. How many characters we use in this text? How can we calculate this length? Length of text. I want to calculate the length of text. How can we use this? Just for this purpose, I use alien command. Alien, and then use this. Select the text, and then enter it. Here we have to calculate this text number. How many characters use in this text? And then also remember this here we use in between the space. Space is also counted as a text, right?
Okay. Got it.
Then sometime I want to create a username, password. If you have a details of like this name or anything, and then I want to select some characters, starting, mid, and then ending. Which one I want to do? Just select for this part. Then how can we do this thing for fastly and for number of values? Just for this purpose, we use some formula. One is for left. Second one is my right, and third one is my mid section formulas. Okay. Suppose I want to select three characters of starting parts. I want to select starting parts of three characters for naming the username and password, anything you can want. Okay. Then how can you do this? The side here is a left, And then for the left parts, just select the text, okay? And then comma, then right here is a number of characters. How many characters you want? I want 3 characters. And then enter it. Then what you got?
Okay.
You got starting of 3 characters.
Okay.
Okay. And then if you
Got
want to ending of characters, suppose right here, then use the right formula. Okay. And then select the text. I select the text, and then here I write number of characters, right? And then enter it. Then I got a right side 3 characters. What means ending of 3 characters,
Got it.
right? And then here I want to select mid of 3 characters. Suppose HAL I want to select it. Then what you do? Just write here mid,
Mid.
and then select the text. And then starting number, which numbers of the character you want to start. Here we can start the number 4 characters, and then take a 3 characters. Number of characters, how many characters you want
Okay.
to use. So, okay, and then enter it. Then we got its HL. Is okay.
Okay, got
And
it.
then use it. This box, right?
Yep.
And next one, I want to repeat something. Suppose here, I want to repeat left side value for 3 times. If you want to repeat something, suppose we have left, right, A, B, anything if you want to repeat, and so the number of times, then what you do? Just equal to use repeat. And then here, we select the VIs. And then how many numbers you want to repeat? Suppose I want 3 times. I want to repeat this 3 times, then what will happen? Here we repeat these values. Right?
Right.
Okay. By the use of this thing, you can repeat this thing and then use of these parts also. That's clear?
Okay. Yep.
No, that's fine. Some for text formulas also there for some as vector types. Okay. And this is my sample formulas. We can use it for the applying your full name, uppercase, lowercase, proper text, finding the lengths of the text, and then left, right, with values and repetition also. Right?
You got it.
Okay. 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 I think this is enough for today's class. And then also tomorrow I saw the some dates formula. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
There's any doubts?
No, I'm good.
Yeah, also okay. Then make this attendance sheet and send to me. Okay.
Okay, no problem. Yes.
Now do it, and then I check this out. Okay. Then fine.
Okay. Okay,
Okay.
you got it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
can you send me a picture
Yeah,
of this?
I sent this sheet to you.
Yeah, I don't need the sheet. Just send me a picture.
Only picture.
Only
Okay.
picture.
Take the screenshot. You also take the screenshot.
Okay, give me a second.